Morning everyone, welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Well, I got my vlog up. I was very happy, but in saying that, I did switch it over to my mobile phone data to get the bulk of it done. Then when there was only about 2 hours left, that was at about midnight last night, there was about 2 hours left, and I thought, yeah, surely it will finish the rest of it via Wi-Fi between midnight and 7 o'clock this morning, which it did. So I'm very happy, got it sorted. It's already nearly 10 o'clock. I'm pretty late today with the vlog. I'm just gonna make myself a coffee. I haven't even had my first coffee yet. I just got straight into it. And because I had a lot of batches go through last night and I just wanted to make sure they all made it through properly, so I got on my computer first thing and yeah, just checked everything was fine. So yeah, I'm just going to make a coffee. This house has turned into a bit of a pigsty, so we're probably going to have to tidy this up on my lunch break. I've got all that crap I took out of my craft room yesterday, I still haven't put away, and then the kitchen has just got a little bit of crap everywhere, so that all needs cleaning. But right now I'm just going to make a coffee and get back to work because yeah, I'm really hungry. Let me turn the lights on. Is that a bit better? Where do I put you? How about that? That's a bit of a weird angle. Let's just make my coffee. So yes, last day of work today. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I cannot wait. And so far it's looking like it's a cruisy day and there's not many emails have come in, so I get to just finalize everything, have it all fresh and ready to go for next year. Oh, I hope it stays that way. I hope I don't get like 30 emails all the way come through all of a sudden after lunch. Knowing my luck, I will, but they're gonna have to wait till next year. So what's on the cards today? So yeah, I think today we will clean the kitchen, even though it's going to get a mess, but I'm going to do all the pantry area, which is in here where the cat is eating. We'll do all this area, the little butler's pantry, whatever you call it. And then yeah, obviously we just need to do regular maintenance in the kitchen area there too, putting away everything from yesterday. So we'll do kitchen today, and then Friday we're going to go shopping. Saturday and Sunday are going to be mass cleaning days, so the whole house is going to be Christmas ready by Sunday, and God, it better stay that way. I know I'm asking a lot. It's like still a week from then until Christmas, but with me being home all day, I can definitely maintain it. Like I can go around after the kids with a brush and dustpan and brush, sweeping up the mess as they make it. What else are we going to do today? I don't know. After the fiasco I had with making those bloody Christmas boxes, I'm really in two minds whether I want to make the Christmas tray, because that is also using the Cricut, and I'm not over the trauma quite yet. I really am not. You have no idea. Like, I filmed that as if I was doing it that day, but seriously, those boxes took me 4 days to complete. And I only just filmed doing one of them just so you could see the frustration it took to do them. So yeah, the magic of YouTube, they weren't all done on that day, but I did insert the footage of me making them just so you could see. It was just painful. And one of you guys I saw in the comments has suggested try reverse weeding. I am going to definitely look that up, because if there is definitely an easier way than what I was doing, I want to know. So yes, thank you for that tip to that person who told me about that. I have heard of it, but I thought the reverse weeding was when you take off all the little bits and then use the excess vinyl and the blanks that you've taken out as a stencil to then paint it on. I thought that was what reverse weeding is, so I might have to look that up on YouTube to see if there's a different technique that I could be doing. So that's on the cards today. Oh, and I remember mentioning them to you last time, but those are the little vanilla milk pods I put in my coffee. I didn't have them last time and I couldn't for the life of me think of who made them, but yeah, it's Coffee Mate, and they're little, I'll open this up because I need to put more in my basket anyway. But they're just like little milk pods as if you would get at a hotel or motel. And it's vanilla flavoured milk. And I just put one of those in with a little bit of extra milk. And oh, my favourite. So good. So yeah, that's what they were. Now let me get you down. So we do have a break in the weather today. It's still very dull and cloudy, and I still think there's probably more on the way. But yeah, we've got a little bit of a reprieve from the rain. Everything's soaked in nicely. Let's go see what the dogs are doing. Geez, I really need to clean these glasses too. That's the dogs jumping up. Well, Rolly's mowing the lawn like a good horse. This guy's asleep. And that guy's asleep. You're supposed to be being guard dogs out the front. No. Do you love me? I love you. That's the only thing that sets them off. Normally. I love you. I do. No, I don't want to set them off. They're all sleeping. I know I love you. I really do. I love you. Oh God, he gets all angry when he's in his cage. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's so beautiful. That was amazing. That was so beautiful. You're very scraggy though. I think your fur's getting confused. One day it's hot and falling out, and the next day it's cold and wants to come back on. Good boys. You're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. No. Oh, it's nice and cool today. You all right, Bambi? I love you. I love you. I know, I love you. Good boy, stay there. He loves his cage, that dog. See his paw? His buddy, that was a fight with him. What has he done to it? Has he made it bleed more? Him fighting when he's in his cage. Show me your paw. Oh no, it's looking better now. Show me. I think Chaos bit it because they fight through the cage because he starts it. You start it, don't you? Let me see. It was pretty deep. You're keeping it nice and clean though. Good boy. How about you, Rolly? Good morning. Oh, you need your fly mask on. Where's Jessie? Phew. I'll get her to put your fly mask on. That's no good. Jessie? Rolly needs a fly mask. He's getting eaten alive. Poor bugger. It's a beautiful, cool day today. I'm pretty sure Rolly has some bread. Yeah. Did you get rid of all the carrots? Finally? Yeah. Or do we have to throw them out? No idea. Oh, you know the bread's coming. Uh-oh.
Put it in your mouth.
Don't shove it all in, he'll choke on it. Poor little guy. Look at all the flies on him, it's crazy. Bloody Chaos. If he snaps at the horse, you snap his nose. Hey! Little shit. Perfectly fine, but when there's food involved, he gets snappy. All right, let's get back to work. Got my coffee. Do you know how good it feels knowing that this is your last day for 2.5 weeks? Oh my God, I'm so happy. I haven't had a break for a long time. Well, actually I was made to have a break. I think, was it in October sometime? Because yeah, I think I had too much annual leave accumulated. But I think it's all accumulated again, so I'll probably be getting in trouble again next year, going, take more leave. But you know, with being at home now, I don't feel like I need a break, because usually when I have a break from work, it's just to have a break from traveling to work so that I can just stay home all day. It's not that we actually go anywhere on holidays or anything like that.
We never go anywhere, we just stay in the house all day, every day, forever.
Well, yeah, because of the animals. Who's going to look after our dogs? It's not like anyone can look after them. They'll bloody get bitten. I mean, Rolly would be easy, but we got the 2 dogs and the cat, and we can't leave them with anyone. They're not.
Cat, just chuck her outside.
The little dog, he would be fine with anyone, but the big dog, he's not very good with strangers. He can be a bit snappy, so yeah.
He's snappy with the horse, and they've known each other for like 6 years.
But that's only because of the food that's involved. If there's no food involved, he's fine. But if he thinks he's not getting food when the horse is, that's not on. So yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, that I just have a lot of leave. Oh God, it's sprinkling again. Yep, started to sprinkle. So yeah, I have probably a lot of leave accumulated. But like I was saying, we don't really go on holidays or go anywhere. So I would only really be just having a break from the travel to work and back, because I just enjoy staying home and just, you know, doing whatever, doing some craft projects, doing nothing. Since I've been working from home, I just haven't really felt like I needed a break. I mean, it's the travel that tires me out more than anything. Getting up early, travelling an hour there, an hour home, and then coming home and doing everything else. That's what tires me out. But since working from home, it's been great. So, yeah. That was a little bit of dribble for you this morning. Now, I've got to get back to work. What have we got? Yeah, got to get back to work. Guess what? I have officially finished work for 2020. My God, how good does that feel? Oh, wow. So I haven't done a lot of vlogging today because it got quite busy after lunch. Everyone wanted their last minute invoices done. So yeah, I ended up doing a little bit of overtime again, but nothing too dramatic. So I'm done now. And this house is just actually getting worse. And I think it's just mainly me and Jessie not picking up after ourselves throughout the day. So I think we'll just start off by putting all my stuff away from the craft room, tidy that area up a bit, and then we'll make some headway in the kitchen. Just needs stuff putting away. It's not too bad, but yeah. So once that's clean, then we can start making dinner. And we're apparently having baked potatoes tonight for dinner. So something we haven't had for a little while. Here we go again. I look like shit again. But it's the end of my work day and I'm happy.
Why are you so happy though?
Because I do not have to work anymore this year.
Well, some of us have the life, don't they?
I don't have to work at work. I'm pretty sure being at home with you kids will give me enough bloody work.
Well, don't you just have the life, huh?
Yep, I surely do. I'm going to have the definite Christmas too.
Can I be in your video?
Oh, you want to be in it now? Normally you're like, no, get away! I want to be
I'm just going to be creepy in the corner.
Don't be creepy in my vlog. People don't like it. What is wrong with you? You're such a weirdo, Jess. You better be in a vlogging mood tomorrow.
No.
Well, that's when I'll need you.
No, Mum.
Payment will be your eyelashes and eyebrows.
Mum, you wouldn't even be vlogging if it wasn't for me. So I want my eyelashes, eyebrows, and $100 spending money.
No way.
Well then,
You've got more bloody money than I do. I'll pay for your eyelashes, your eyebrows, and your lunch. But you have to be in the mood to vlog.
okay.
Otherwise, you're not coming.
I can pretend that easy. I
And make sure you take your FPOS card because you still got to buy a Christmas present for me. Alright, so I haven't gone to town, but I've just wiped the shelves down, given it a quick tidy, put everything where it needs to be. I'm still going to mop the floors, so I'll do that in a minute, but I'm just going to do this little breakfasty nook, butler's pantry, whatever you call it now. This is taking me so long today, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me. I've just got no energy. I was pumped when I started. And I'm just like, oh, just got the kitchen to do. And it's not even going to be the Christmas clean. It's just going to be the Thursday clean because it's just disgusting. It's just going to be the clean that I do so that we can cook dinner. It's that dirty. So, yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. It's the only way it's going to get done, isn't it? If we just keep going. So you know how it's really like not appropriate to eat a full banana and make eye contact with anyone? Well, I think you can probably say the same thing about cleaning a kitchen tap. Just don't make eye contact with anyone. And you know what? I think I spent a little bit too much time making sure this tap was clean. Alright, so it's not Christmas clean, it's just human habitation clean because we still got to cook dinner and that's probably going to get all crapped up again. But yeah, I'm pretty happy now. Oh, and you see my little chalkboard? That's where I put my little chalkboard. I think eventually I'll put something on that. But yeah, see, what I'm actually thinking is this whole area, I think next year I'm going to make my gingerbread lane type theme. So all the stuff that's currently on these two shelves, so like that's all like the gingerbread type candy cane lane stuff. I'm going to, set out in this area, I think, and then integrate some of this stuff in amongst the rest of the house. Probably going to get rid of, not my little stand, but the cups, plates, these reindeer, that Noel, that's all going. I think the rest I don't mind, like I think I like the rest, so they can all stay. But yeah, that's my thoughts for this year. And I didn't mop the floor. I think I'll do that when I do my Christmas clean. So yeah, so we're almost back to normal again now, back to a nice clean house. It is, I think it's nearly 7 o'clock now. We've made our baked potato, I'll show you. So here is dinner tonight. We have baked potato.
Carb infested. This is why we're going to die at a young age.
Definitely not keto. It's baked potato, bit of butter, bit of cheese, bit of bacon, bit of sour cream.
It's basically the reason we're going to die.
Lots of pepper, and I think it's going to be delicious. So I think I'll finish the vlog off here, guys. It's 9 o'clock and I've still got to edit it and upload it, and you know the deal. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas!